Temi Robot for schools, the future of learning. Introducing Temi, the smart, voice-activated robot that's transforming how schools engage, educate and support students. Temi can deliver messages, give guided tours, support remote learning and even help with special educational needs, all while navigating your corridors completely autonomously. With built-in AI, facial recognition, voice interaction and a touchscreen, Temi is like a helpful teaching assistant, receptionist and a digital concierge all in one. Need to impress on open days? Temi makes a great first impression. Want to enhance learning with interactive multimedia content? Temi is ready to roll. As AI and robotics move rapidly into everyday life, there's never been a better time to introduce students to a technology of the future by using it today. Forward-thinking schools are investing now, not just to keep up, but to lead. Temi isn't just a gadget, it's a gateway to the next generation education. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.